Hey, what's up guys? This is your buddy Neil. Okay, this fragrance right here, you're probably saying it's a basic fragrance, it's no big deal, old school bottle, 1953. Once I got my nose on this thing, I was blown away. This is Virginia tobacco flower and menthol. 2 ingredients, alcohol and water, but 2 notes. 1953. It's a classic. It's hard to find. It's simply amazing. It has the old pump style atomizer. I'm simply in love with this fragrance. One of the best fall fragrances of all time. There's not much to say. It's really beautiful. If you ever find it, sample it. This stuff is simply amazing.